Farms and Amedore Apiaries. Today we're going to be going through hives 1 through 5 as well as installing 2 new nucleus packages. And going through hives 1 through 5 to see which ones will be best able to be used to make a split for 2 new queens that will be coming on Monday. So follow along. We went through the 5 original hives. Hive 5 we're going to keep as a honey producer. Hive 2 was not quite as strong as we hoped. 3 frames from hive 4. And we split them out into these 2 boxes, ready for our new queens that'll be coming in on Monday. Mr. George is going to take and drop those queens in. And hopefully that'll give us a total of 9 hives. We just installed 2 nucleuses. Leading up there. It turns out those are Kudik queens from South Carolina that are then bred and open bred, so you end up with a mutt, but with Kudik genetics, which is something we wanted in the apiary. So we'll have Italian, Russian, and Kudik queens in this apiary. So here's to hoping for an awesome beekeeping year, a possible spring harvest of honey, and a big harvest this fall. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe to the channel and share these videos. Willowbrook Farms, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.